This is a continuation of 5-6 in signing naturally. I neglected in the first part of this to include a vocabulary review for what signs are being used in 5-6. So let me go through that now. Don't mind. The index finger coming down from the nose. Refuse, very emphatic. Post office is simply P-O, P-O. Pharmacy, drugstore, pharmacy. Or you will sometimes see drugstore. Video store, do they still have video stores? Sign for video or movie. Remember the two reels like that? Pick up a movie. Dry cleaning. And I actually saw on the video in Signing Naturally one of the alternate signs I believe that they use, which I've never seen, is this sign for dry cleaning. School, we all know that. Dentist, there's a few signs for dentists. The letter D on the teeth. Or imagine this being a drill, God help us, like that. Gas station. And that's the thumb, the modified A going into the hand like that. Sometimes you'll actually see it at gas store or gas station with the S's like that, station. But normally that's enough, gas. Zoo, finger spelled, Z-O-O. Veterinarian, abbreviate the vet, or you will actually sometimes see on a letter V on the wrist like that. Be careful how you make that. Letter V on the wrist like that. Tomorrow, we've done that. The A, hand coming away from the cheek, forward. Pick, to pick or find. The thumb and the index finger coming together and going up. Teeth cleaning, teeth cleaning. Oil change, you would spell oil and change. Change is a sign for change or replace. So we start out with your passive hand in front of your dominant hand and a modified X like that, and modified A, whatever you want to call it. So, and then you just change positions. So oil change, replace. Whereas the sign, that's really the sign for replace. The sign for change is like this. You're actually not changing the oil. This is to change or modify. So we're not modifying, we're not changing the oil that's there. We're not changing it into something else and leaving it there. We're actually replacing it. So oil change would be that. Volunteer is like that. This is also the sign for apply, to like apply for a job. Not to be confused with this, which is like to apply as in applied learning, or this is applicable to this. Fill up your gas. Gas. Fill up. This is a sign for fill or full. Your palm goes across, your modified 5 hand goes across your fist like this. So gas, fill up. Feed animal. Animal. Remember, your hands like that. Animal, feed. Animal, animal, feed. Bring a dog to get an injection. Okay. Dog, dog like that, or dog. Bring to the vet to get an injection. So your injection is like that. Just imagine you're holding the syringe like that and you're going in. Dogs don't usually get them. Well, I guess they do get them in the leg. Haircut. Or like that. It's literally a very, what's the word? iconic sign. It actually looks like you're cutting your hair. To go, to leave for, to go, to leave. Must do, must. Remember the X hand like that. I don't mind, I don't mind. Finish, we've already done that. Finish. Oh, I see. You know that from before. Another sign is pity you or poor you. Remember your feeling finger coming like that? Accompanying facial expression. If you really want to pour it on thick, two hands like that, like you poor thing. And wow. Wow is the cupped hand like that, or wow. See this sometimes for wow or wow. And some deaf people think it's cute to do this. W-O-W. Okay, next up is 5, let's see, 5-7.